Hey everyone, it's Ron with Premium Select Supplies. We have another brand new knife that we want to feature here. This is the 565 Mini Freek by Benchmade, and this is probably going to be my favorite knife of 2018. They made this in a mini version, which feels great in my hand. It's super grippy with this polymer coating that they have around the edge here. It's an ambidextrous thumb stud opener on each side, and it's CPM S30V premium blade steel. So it's going to be a super great blade for you guys. This happens to be a first production knife, so it's numbered 1114 of 1200. We do have two of these in stock. You can find at premiumselectsupplies.com. This just feels so great in the hand. Easy to close, easy to open. We really think you're going to love this knife once it really gets out in everybody's hands. So please check us out at premiumselectsupplies.com. You can share us. Please subscribe to our YouTube page. You can find us on Facebook at Premium Select Supplies, Twitter at PS Supplies, and Instagram Premium Select Supplies. Please follow us on social media. Please share this with your friends and your family. I think they're going to really enjoy this knife. And thank you very much for watching this video.